So these are the color changing tests that we use to help us indicate if something may be blood. I am a criminalist in the DNA section of the DCI Crime Lab. In our section, we look at evidence for the presence of biological fluids such as blood, seminal fluid, urine, or saliva. So as you can see, the phenolphthalein turns pink and the TMB turns blue-greenish in the presence of blood. After examining the data, we generate a report, and then we may have to testify to that report in court. Our job is important because we serve the public, speaking for that evidence objectively. If a crime occurred, we want to figure out what happened and maybe hold the person responsible that perpetrated this crime. The education I got in the biology and chemistry departments at Central really laid a solid scientific foundation for my further studies. So when I got to graduate school, all I had to do was apply the scientific principles that I was taught at Central to use them for forensic science purposes. Also, being a member of the softball team and studying abroad, it gave me the confidence to pursue my dream of being in forensic science. So being at a Division III college and being a Division III athlete really was a great experience to get a well-rounded education and personally develop along the way. I think it's important for students on campus to be involved in something, whether that's athletics, study abroad, the arts, because you learn so much more outside of the classroom than you do in. Inside the classroom, you're going to learn all the skills and the knowledge and the education that you need maybe to excel in your career. On any of those groups, for me specifically, it was softball, I learned so many life skills that are now invaluable to me. I learned how to accept failure, how to deal with failure, how to be a part of a team and work with people, to work under situations that maybe are stressful. There are so many life skills that you can learn outside of the classroom that I think are equally as important as what you will learn in the classroom. Once you do step on campus, go in with an open mind, because a lot of experiences can come your way that you might not have expected, and they can lead you to somewhere that you may not have ever thought you would go. And also with that, don't be afraid of failure, because things will change, things will happen, and it will test you, but don't be afraid to learn from it and let it guide you to the place that you're meant to be.